Here, Arunachal is chef. Rice, huh? That is sticky rice.
No, it's sticky rice. Wait, okay, I have some sticky. Thank God you reminded me.
Oh. Now it's coming.
This is the sticky rice from Arunachal Pradesh.
Salt to this. What do you want? Okay. Sticky rice powder. No? You can say like that.
Yes.
Mix it well. This is a pure Arunachali food, no? Sticky rice powder.
We do this with bamboo, no?
Oh, we can, but we don't have bamboo.
Yes, so
That's why
this is an optional. When
people-
you don't have
Yeah, people
bamboo,
living in town.
Urbans.
Urban, yes.
use this option. You do, baby.
You cannot do it. He wants to use your phone. Everything. What is that? Dried bamboo shoot.
Yeah. This is Arunachal.
Arunachali dried bamboo shoot.
I think in Nagaland you have similar texture.
Yes, yes. No, yeah. Other one. Okay, and then
Close it.
close it. Take out the
Like that.
here. You need to take out this one, nah?
No, we'll not take out.
Oh,
Edit visa. It's okay. Done.
done.
We just check later.
Oh my god, it looks so yummy! Yum! Oh, this is it.
Steam.
Arunachal style chicken.
Bamboo shoot.
And this is also my friend recipe. Fish.
Fish.
And then
And
for what?
Marcelo, no tengo más.